What's up guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to try and retrofit a custom shifter onto the 2014 BMW M5 competition package. Got a lot in store for this thing. We're going to try to put a sequential looking shifter on it. Obviously it's not going to actually change anything, it's just going to look like it's a sequential shifter. I guess you technically could use it in the same manner you would a real one, as in put it in sport mode, forward and back. But let's see what we got to work with first. Alright guys, so here you can see the DCT shifter. Right now it's in neutral. You can toggle it over to put it in drive, toggle it over again to put it in sport, and then back to neutral, over and up for reverse, and then down, and then we're back in neutral. So what I was actually talking about is basically a sequential shifter. Sequential looks like a sequential shifter, but it's really just the exact same thing, just taller without all this. So basically when you put the car into sport mode and you shift it yourself, you can go downshift or upshift, except it'll be up here obviously, you know, taller. Upshift, downshift. So that's the goal. I don't know how this comes off exactly. If it's anything like the ones that I am familiar with, this piece will come off, and it does have some glue and things around it. So what we'll do is we'll heat it up first, and then we'll take out one screw. That should allow this top cap to come off, and it should allow this to come off also. Then there should be one more screw actually holding this shifter knob on to this, to the mount. So if there is a small metal bar, basically like you see in any other BMW under the shifter, so if that's the case, then this will work. So that's what I'm hoping for. So that's what we're going to go for. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my heat gun here. Set it on a medium setting, that way I don't melt anything. I'm just going to try to do my best to heat up this glue. I don't know what you can see better with. You probably see it looks better that way. But I'm just going to heat this up. Set that out of the way. I'm going to take a piece of electrical tape and do my best to protect this here so I don't scratch it. Then I want to take this little flathead, and it should just pry up. Okay, so that came off pretty easy. You can see the adhesive here that holds it on. So now what we're going to do is there's a little screw right here. Hopefully you can see that. And we're going to take that off. Should be a little Torx. Okay. Try your best not to drop that. You want to put that screw in here, along with this. Now, should be able to take this off. Okay, well, that's on the floor now. There's that piece, it just pulls right up and off. Okay, now we've got another Torx. Let's see what size it is. T20. Take that screw out. I don't know if we need to pull this off or not, honestly. Probably. There's the little board, and now should be able to pull this straight up. Make sure there's not any clips down in here holding it. Looks like that's it. Let's see. Now if we can just get this wiring down in there. And there it is. So now we've got this wiring, and it looks like I'm going to be able to make that work. So now I will try to fabricate some type of shifter knob that looks like a sequential one that fits in your hand nicely, and we're going to put it on here. Okay.